67-year-old Keith Berman is the CEO of Decision Diagnostics, a medical device company based in Westlake Village, California. On Friday, the Department of Justice announced that Berman was indicted by a federal grand jury in connection with an alleged scheme to defraud investors. Berman allegedly made false and misleading statements about a new COVID-19 test, which led to millions of dollars in investor losses. According to the indictment, beginning in February 2020 through this month, Berman engaged in a scheme to defraud investors by falsely claiming Decision Diagnostics had developed a 15-second test to detect COVID-19 in a finger prick sample of blood. Berman knew his test was merely a concept and not a validated COVID-19 test, much less an actual product ready to manufacture or sell. Berman also lied when he told investors that the FDA was on the verge of approving emergency use authorization for the company's test. He knew the company lacked the money and insurance necessary to conduct the required clinical testing. Berman then hired a lobbyist to tell members of Congress that the FDA, quote, mothballed the test, which remained stuck in limbo. At the same time, he told investors that the test was on the verge of approval. And by April 23, 2020, the company's stock price had risen by more than 1,500%. The executive also allegedly used the alias plutonium implosion to repeat false statements to investors on internet message boards, refute fraud allegations, and threaten potential whistleblowers with civil or criminal sanctions. Behind the cloak of plutonium implosion, he projected demand for the test to be, quote, close to 3 billion kits. In sworn testimony to the SEC, Berman allegedly denied posting on the message board. Berman faces 1 count of securities fraud and 1 count of making false statements, and Decision Diagnostics did not respond to our request for comment. Under the guise of plutonium implosion, in an online post, Berman allegedly wrote, quote, then again, the 5 to 6 message board posters may be right, and Mr. Berman will find himself in prison. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.